Hey beauties, it's Riri. I just received my Ice Cream Beauty bag for the month of March. I'll pop deets right here and we're gonna dive in. As always, I already have on brows and base, so hopefully there's something in here for us to test on our pretty little face, you guys. I really love Ice Cream Beauty, even though I have canceled. You can see my previous ice cream video for kind of updates and things like that. I don't want to be too long-winded here. They are one of my all-time favorite subscription boxes slash bags. I like that they have variety. We have the Ice Cream Beauty box and the more affordable Ice Cream Beauty bag. They also have a loose pigments one. They are makeup focused, they are indie focused, and I genuinely love the company. Like I said though, I have canceled for now. I hope they get their mess together and they come back stronger than ever. That is my hope for them. Anyways, all that to say, I love subscription boxes and it is one of my favorites. We have our little card here. I'll give you guys a little sneaky peeky first. We will definitely talk deets when we're done. First up, ooh, is the Lash Step. I'm assuming it's mascara. Yes, this is the Lash Step mascara in the shade Forest. And if you are new here, green eyeshadow is my all-time favorite. Anything green and grunge, absolutely love. And then I tend to go also to the flip side and I'll do like bright golds and bronzes and yellows and reds and stuff, but green has my heart and soul. I'm excited about this, you guys. Okay. Next up is the Illuminati Glowing Lip Oil, the Hydrating Ultra Shine Lip Oil in Lime. Ooh, I'm assuming it's not going to have much of an actual shade to it, but we'll definitely demo it and try it out. And then last up in here, get that out of the way, is the Bow Babe Beauty, the Starlight Highlight Palette. I feel like they've been a staple in the past few months in terms of the products that we have gotten in our Ice Cream Beauty. Let me get my scissors. I will swatch this. I didn't realize I'd be getting this. I kind of more prepped for an eyeshadow palette, which is strange. We still got a palette, but we normally get an eyeshadow palette. So yeah, I probably will not demo this for you guys, but I'll swatch it real quick or at least get it super up close and show you guys what it looks like. I am just very mindful about waste. If I know I'm not going to use something, if I know I already have plenty like it, I'm not going to use it and it will generally end up in my resale group on Facebook. Okay, yeah, this is, in my opinion, and there's nothing wrong with this. I say this every single time I speak in terms of things being kind of standard. This is kind of a standard, more dense, opaque, thick highlight type of formula. I really like that it goes from light to dark. We have some inclusivity here. It does feel, you know, nicely made and stuff like that. It's just not something I'm going to gravitate to. I will demo both of these for y'all. Let me run something in my crease real quick and I'll be RB. Okay. I'm gonna go down the deets really quickly and we're gonna talk. The Illuminati Ice Cream Beauty bag for March, the Illuminati Cosmetics Lime Lip Oil. I've had these before. I had a grape one that smelled incredible. It had beautiful high shine. It felt nice. It wasn't thick or tacky or anything like that. I believe this might be expired. It smells straight up like chemicals. It does not smell fruity whatsoever, and it is very, very thick. It may just be the formula in this versus the grape or whatever the case may be. I do not feel comfortable enough using that. The Bow Babe Beauty Starlight Highlighter Palette is $45. I feel like that's gearing towards like more high-end type pricing. I have not tested it, but just based on the like highlighter bronzer thing that I got, it is a more dense, like thick, opaque formula, and they're not my favorite. It's still pretty, and I do like the shade range in that. The Lash Step Forest Mascara is $18. This is old as hell. First of all, it's so old and clumped up in there and dry that literally when I first brought this out, all of this was pinched, so I could only see this much. And hopefully you guys could see that and you could see that in real time. It also smells horrendous. I'm not putting this on my eyes. that is a little disappointing. I will say though that as someone that, you know, I like places like TJ Maxx and Marshalls or Burlington and stuff like that if I do get out the house and go shop somewhere. And I am a fan of subscription boxes. I do understand that a lot of times with subscription boxes, so I'm not just shitting on Ice Cream Beauty. A lot of times with subscription boxes, we are getting dead stock, we're getting overstock, we're getting older stock, things like that. And not to say that that's a bad thing per se. It may just be that the company made way too much. They're sending their overstock. Maybe it was a limited release and they had overstock from that, so they're sending them over. My thing is when a product is so old, and maybe this is just me, I don't get spoilers, y'all know this. So if you have gotten yours, please comment down below and let everybody know, let me know, please. But generally speaking, the products are fine. You know, there are products that they're still sealed, you know, they have a longer shelf life, things like that. But I do believe these are like fully expired. I mean, I couldn't even probably apply this to my lashes if I wanted to. It is, there's no moisture whatsoever in here. And like I said, when I first pulled it out, it was so tightly pinched because the formula is so dry, because it's so old, because it's just been sitting there. So again, not a them thing. I think that kind of happens across the board. We kind of consistently see older product and stuff like that. It's very rare though that I get an expired product. Yeah, those are my thoughts. I'd like to know what you guys think. And I went in with the, let me just make sure I tell y'all the right palette. I went in with the Cosmic Beauty, but I think they're now Cosmic Brushes or vice versa. Y'all, I never get it right. The Serenity palette. I'm actually wearing blue and red today, like a cream sweater that's got like a blue design with red cherries all over it. So I wanted something, if I was going to wear the green mascara, to kind of make things similarly match in some kind of way. So yeah, that's what's on my eyeballs. Yeah, I'm sorry this didn't go a little bit better than I anticipated, but I'm not going to BS here. You guys know that. I mean, I am honest about things, but I do always try to be fair, hence saying, okay, I'm kind of upset that these are expired, and I don't trust them to put, like, I would not give these to anybody. These are going in the trash, this and the mascara. But I'm also pointing out, I'm also pointing out, it's not just an Ice Cream Beauty thing. Yeah, I would like to know your thoughts on these types of things. And I know for that kind of specific reason, that is why a lot of you do not like subscription boxes. And I fully respect, obviously, both sides of the fence. Yeah, that is it. Thank you, beauties, so much for joining. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you did enjoy. You can hype the video. You can tap the bell so you never miss any of my uploads. And there's a join button down below. You can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.